If you are a coach or a consultant and if you have recently started your coaching business and trying to scale it to the next level, maybe earning and revenue या फिर profit generate करना है, but you are not able to scale or grow your coaching business, then there are these 4 reasons which is why you are not able to scale your coaching business to the next level. Because when I started my coaching journey back in 2021-22, I was also doing the same mistakes, and these were the few reasons that was impacting my complete entire coaching business. But don't worry, I will also tell you how you can fix these mistakes so that you can start scaling your coaching business to the next level. The very first mistake that new beginners या फिर जो coaching business के अंदर आ रहे हैं वो for sure करते हैं, या फिर even if you have a coaching business or if you have started your coaching business back then, or maybe it's been a while now, but still I'm sure you are making this mistake, which is to identifying your niche या फिर lack of clarity into the niche clarification, या फिर एक अच्छा जो profitable niche है उसको identify करना. See, when I started back in 2020 and 22, I was also catering to a broader niche. Of what I mean by broader niche, I was trying to cater to each and every audience. I know कि अब आपको, let's say if you are into health niche, health industry या फिर career coaching, right? तो you might be serving all the students, all the working professionals, या फिर सभी लोगों के लिए आप weight loss या फिर weight gaining के लिए try कर रहे होगे, so that you can start getting the clients. But this is not the case. अगर आप ये कर रहे हो recently या फिर करते आ रहे हो, then it will not actually help you to scale it to the next level या फिर scale it to maybe 3 to 5 lakhs per month, right? Because if you are trying to cater to a broader niche, then there are multiple competitors, then there are a lot of people who are already doing this. So you have to stick to, या फिर you have to find out such a niche या फिर industry or a market where you can start getting multiple clients and start charging high ticket. I'm not just talking about you how to find out a niche and then just start charging $3,000, $5,000 or maybe $100, $200 itself. I'm not talking about that. Here itself, I'm talking about charging high ticket clients, maybe mid ticket clients, right? Because when you enter into a coaching industry, it's not about creating a course or maybe recorded courses. It will not actually scale, actually it will not help you to scale and generate the revenue for your business and also the profits. Because see, आप कोर्स क्रिएट कर लोगे 2000-3000 का एंड देन स्टार्ट सेलिंग दैट, बट आप जो एड स्पेंड करोगे, जो भी इनबाउंड लीड्स आएगी, जो भी मे बी ऑर्गेनिकली भी अगर आप स्केल करने का ट्राई कर रहे हो, इट वुड बी देयर, बट जो रेवेन्यू जनरेट होगा, जो प्रॉफिट्स होगा, वो जो the profit that you'll generate would be not that much as compared to the high ticket program या फिर mid ticket. And to do that, you will have to find out a niche, you will have to dig down deeper so that you can just charge high ticket clients, right? And I always give this example to everyone, whoever with let's say if I'm going on a sales call या फिर जिस भी client के साथ, जिस भी prospect के साथ में I try to like have a conversation, I always give this example. Let's say, and you might have heard about this example as well, I'm sure, if you are into the coaching industry. So let's say if you are going in, let's say if there is a ABC person, right? और उस ABC person को let's say कुछ let's say brain का या फिर heart का problem है, right? I'm just taking a hypothetical example. Don't take it in that way, right? I'm just taking a person's name. Let's say ABC person is there. So he has a problem of heart or maybe brain, right? Let's say he will not go to a generic doctor या फिर जो भी general surgeon होता है या फिर जो भी general doctors होते हैं जो specifically cold, fever या फिर जो भी normal हम बोलते हैं कि सभी illness के ऊपर, या फिर जो भी जनरल सर्जन्स होते हैं, जो भी जनरल डॉक्टर्स होते हैं, वो जनरली अगर लेट से किसी को कोल्ड हुआ है या फिर फीवर हुआ है तो जनरली वो उनके पास जाते हैं. बट अगर वो एबीसी पर्सन को हार्ट का प्रॉब्लम है, ब्रेन का प्रॉब्लम है, देन ही विल नॉट गो टू अ जनरल डॉक्टर, ही विल गो टू अ स्पेशलिस्ट, आई वुड से, राइट? मे बी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, मे बी कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट के पास, हार्ट स्पेशलिस्ट के पास या फिर आई स्पेशलिस्ट, राइट? So there are different names and I'm just taking an example, right? तो वो specialist के पास ही जाएगा and not to the general surgeon or a doctor, just because he has built that authority, that doctor has built that positioning and messaging into his domain itself, so the people are going to him, maybe to her, for a specific problem, and he can charge high ticket as well because वो उस domain के अंदर, उस niche के अंदर expert है, he knows his stuff, right? And that's the thing, he's able to charge high ticket. Same like that, अगर आप एक broader niche पकड़ रहे हो, then it is not that much easy to charge high ticket. And I'm not just about charging more, but it would not be easy to get the clients. So firstly, the most important thing, focus more on getting and clarifying your niche as per your industry, as per your market. Now moving ahead, the second most important mistake that even I have also done the same thing. मैंने ये mistake की है पहले, which is to not focusing on creating an irresistible offer. Now I know you would be like, Aniket, we have the offer, we also have the curriculum, maybe आपके पास program का curriculum होगा, maybe you might have the offer as well. I'm not talking about the generic offer. Let's say career coach है, right? I'm just taking an example, and he want to sell his coaching program, या फिर he's trying to get some clients for his coaching program or for her coaching program, right? Now he has just a generic offer saying that I have this 2 to 3 months of coaching program where I'll help you in your better career opportunities, and I have these curriculums, 9 to 10 modules curriculums, and I have this price of the curriculum. Would you like to buy that? This is not how it works. I always try to focus more on getting or creating an irresistible offer, the offer which should convey your message, the outcome that you are going to provide to your prospect. So see, all the prospects, all the clients that you are coming to you, they are not coming to you just to buy your program or a service. They are actually coming to you just because you might or you will give them the outcome that they are looking for. So try to focus more on the outcome and creating a great and a good irresistible offer, so that whoever is coming to you, your target audience, or maybe the ICPs, ideal customer profiles, or the customers, they will regret to say no. So for sure they will say yes if you have the right offer which is actually hitting their pain points and the desires, the outcome that they want, right? So just don't try to create an offer that you think is good. Try to create an offer that your ideal clients actually needs, right? Because this is the same thing that I used to do when I started my coaching journey. I used to create a generic offer that I think, yes, this is actually good, this is what my ideal prospects might be looking for, but you don't have to play with the words like might be or this might help them. No, you have to take and create the foolproof plan. Yes, this is the offer that they are actually looking for. Now moving ahead, the third important mistake that most of the coaches, even I'm sure if you are into the coaching industry, you might be making this mistake, and there are a lot of coaches as well, still they are making the same mistake, is to not having the right client attraction funnel or the system. Now when I say about the client attraction funnel, or maybe getting the clients to your pipeline so that you can start selling your coaching program or a business, I'm not simply saying ki you have to create a LinkedIn profile. See, that is absolutely fine, that is actually true. Maybe creating that profiles on social media platforms, building that credibility, and then reaching out to the right audience, right? But these are just basic steps that you might be taking, or you have to take if you are not taking that, right? The systems, client attraction systems, or maybe the lead attraction systems, what I mean by that, you have to be focused more on, you need to focus more on the systems, on the strategies that are actually as per your industry, as per your niche. Let's say if you are a career coach, and let's say if there is a ABC person who is a health coach, you cannot have the same strategies, same systems in place, because your industry is different, because your niche is different, because you are catering to a different target audience. So the strategies and the frameworks and let's say the systems that would be there, it should be different, and it must be different as per your domains, as per your goals for your business. So try to focus more on the strategies that are actually working for you. Maybe you can start optimizing your profile for all the social media platforms, majorly Instagram or LinkedIn or YouTube, whichever is working for you. Again, yes, that's the most important part. Understand your audience, and as per that you have to create your profiles on social media platform, because if you are catering to a certain niche, your audience will not be present on all the social media platforms, right? So try to understand your target market, try to understand your ICPs, and then start working on your lead generation strategies, maybe client attraction funnels, or maybe the systems. Then understand it very well, and on top of that, try to create the content itself. And if you need any help in identifying the right strategy, creating the roadmap which will help you to scale your coaching business to 3 to 5 lakhs per month or $3,000 to $5,000 per month, just reach out to me. There is a link in the description. Just fill out that form and I'll reach out to you, so that I will actually help you to grow your coaching business to the next level, which will help you to generate 3 to 5 lakhs per month consistently without spending hours on online. Now the last mistake that most of you are making is to not focusing on the authority, on the positioning and messaging part when it's come to generating the leads or maybe growing a coaching business. Again, I was also at the same place. I've been there where you are currently in, and that's the reason I'm telling you don't focus more on just putting out the content. I want to be most of the influencers and people are saying you have to be consistent on all the social media platforms, you have to be consistent with the posting the content, and that's where most of the coaches and the consultant make the mistake. उनको ऐसा लगता है कि यार हर दिन पोस्ट करना है तो I'll start posting the content, but they don't focus more on creating the quality content. They just focus more on the quantity. अगर इसने बोला कि हर दिन मुझे पोस्ट करना है, then I'll have to post the daily content. तो वो क्या करते हैं कि they'll just post the generic content. Maybe they will just try to focus more on tips and tricks वाला content या फिर how to post. This will not actually help you to build that authority. You have to focus more on the content which will actually help you to build your positioning, which will help you to actually build your messaging part, and it will help you to stronger your brand and the authority and the visibility, right? Don't focus more on just creating the random stuff or the generic content that everyone is creating. Focus more on creating the content which will actually help you to stand out into the market and reach out to the wider audience in your industry, so that you can position yourself, so that you can start implementing your messaging rightly, and it will actually help you to build a brand. And once you start implementing these strategies, it will actually help you to get the clients and convert more, right? So these are the few mistakes that most of the coaches and consultants are making, and if you are one of them, then try to resolve this, try to solve as soon as possible, so that you can start growing your coaching business from scratch or wherever you are currently in. And if you are struggling to generate the revenue, if you are struggling to grow your coaching business from scratch as well, or wherever you are currently in, because I help coaches and consultants like you to generate 3 to 5 lakhs per month consistently for your coaching business in the next 90 days. So if you are someone who want to grow your coaching business from scratch or wherever you are currently in, just fill out the below form and I'll reach out to you, and we'll have a one-on-one strategy call, so that I'll give you the entire strategy and the roadmap from scratch to hit your income goals. And let me know into the comment section right now, like if you found this video helpful or not, or what kind of videos do you want me to create, so that I can just work on top of that. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.